In today's video, we will take out the front driver side seat for 2022 Hyundai Sonata. First, we will pull the seat lever and then push it backwards. We will need 14mm nutseder to take the screws out. Right there is the screw. Here I'm using an impact gun with a 14mm socket, but you can use a roundhead ratchet with a 14mm socket if you want. On the other side is a similar screw that also needs to be taken out. Once both front screws are taken out, now we will pull the lever again and push the seat forward. And notice there are two more screws behind that also needs to be taken out the same way. Once all the screws are out, now I will drag the seat a little behind and then tilt the seat backwards. Notice here are some clips and plugs that we need to take out. Here I'm using a clip remover tool to take out the first clip. Once the clip is taken out, now we will take out three plugs. This yellow plug has a white color tab. Just press and hold that white color tab and then pull the plug outwards to take it out. For the white plug, there's a white tab in the middle. Press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. Same process for the last plug. Press and hold the white tab and then pull the plug outwards. Now we will take out the final clip. It was already loose for some reason and I'll just take it out as part of the process. All the clips and plugs are out. To take out the seat, now we will be turning the seat towards the right side in order to make it easy for us to take it out. And then we will angle it towards the rear door for easy takeout access. Once you've gotten off the back cushion side towards the rear door, now we will carefully pick up the seat and bring it outside. Make sure you take your time in this process and carefully take it out so that you don't end up damaging anything on the corners. And there we ended up taking out the seat completely. In case if you just want to put the seat back, I would recommend just reversing the entire process and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.